I guess you have to turn it on first. Oh, and add water. Now we can make coffee. Good morning, friends. Today we are going to be doing a very simple what I eat in a day on keto. One of the hardest things about keto is trying to find things to eat that aren't too complicated, because let's be honest, some of the recipes can be super duper complicated. So I just want to show you guys a very, very simple day of eating and very realistic at the same time. I'm just starting my morning with a bulletproof coffee. I am not very hungry. If I am hungry, I will make more food for breakfast, but I think this will hold me over for today. I have about an hour and a half until I have a call with a client. So I am just going to drink this and then head upstairs and get ready for that call. I am all ready for my call. I have about an hour until the call. I am going to make myself a water though. That is all I'm gonna have until lunch, and I always have an electrolyte water. So let's go make that real quick. Electrolytes. So I have been using Dr. Berg's electrolytes for like ever. I usually use the LMNT ones too right there. I have a whole box of them. But I do find that I feel a heck of a lot better when I am taking Dr. Berg's electrolytes because of the potassium. There is about 1,000 milligrams of potassium in there. There's all the things that are in it. And I don't quite remember the ratios for LMNT, but they do have a lot of sodium, which I also feel is helpful. But this potassium just does something a little bit better for my body. And for water intake, I know that there's a lot of, I don't want to say debate, but I know that a lot of people think many, many different things about water, whether there's a certain amount you need to have, whatever. I just drink water when I'm thirsty, and I try to prioritize water. I usually drink probably, how many ounces are you? This is a 26 ounce tumbler. And I probably drink 2 of these a day. I just drink when I'm thirsty, and I just always make sure I have at least one with electrolytes. We have real pants on. I don't know why, even when I'm on like Zoom calls, I have to have like real pants on, like I feel put together. How are you doing?
Click that one. The non-white one. Oh no, it's breaking. Oh, breaking. It's getting in my nails.
That worked out well for me. Look.
Meat was blocking Regal's view. He was literally right here.
It's fine. So again, nothing super difficult. No, I did not measure anything. I just feel like I'm about this hungry. If I am still hungry after I eat this, I will get more. If this fills me up, I will be good. You know, I just try to eat until I'm satisfied. I don't want to say full because that means so many different things to so many different people. Past Libby, who was just a complete overeater and binge eater, didn't know what full meant because after a full meal, I still needed ice cream to top off that meal. You know what I mean? So I go until I am satisfied, and I have more work to do, so I am going to eat this upstairs. Today's just kind of turned into a really busy day. I'm off work at our dog grooming shop, but full speed ahead for YouTube. Whew, it's hot in here. So we just got back from the dreaded school shopping trip, and we did stop at Aldi, and I got just a few things. I really just went for strawberries for my salad for dinner tonight. I've been obsessed with this salad all summer long. We first had it at Mouth of the South. I don't know if you guys have ever been there. It's really, really good. And this salad was absolutely fantastic. So I've made my own version of it since then. And I haven't ever tried it with strawberries, but I wanted to. I was actually gonna have ribs as my protein for dinner, but I am all ribbed out. I had a lot yesterday. So I actually did get this at Aldi, not today, but I got it a while ago. Artichoke spinach chicken. The macros on it look pretty good. It is 7 grams of total carbs and 6 grams of net carbs. So we'll see if this is any good. And then I'll show you guys how to make the best summer salad that I have ever had. Did I follow those instructions exactly? No. No, I didn't. So we'll see how it turns out. Okay, you're first gonna want a huge bowl for your salad. That's step 1. I usually get these like 50-50 spring blends, and then I will use half for one salad and then half for another salad. To kind of help this not be so cumbersome when we eat it, I chop it up like a lot. I'm gonna pick out, I think I'm gonna do 2. Chicken's done. I'm gonna do 2 strawberries. Wash these real quick. So good. Blue cheese crumbles. I measure blue cheese with my heart. That's it. And we love blue cheese around here. And then chopped pecans. About a handful. Bacon bits. This is the best poppy seed dressing that I have had, and I'm almost out of it, but this is like my favorite dressing for this. All right, friends, there we have it. Our big, gibungus, delicious salad. It looks so good. And that, my friends, is what I mean by simple. This took 4 minutes to cook. I made this salad while it was cooking. So absolutely simple, delicious, easy, and I'm not gonna turn my nose up to a 6 gram of carbs, 3-minute dinner, honestly. So don't feel bad if you are just heating up food and serving it and not always having a homemade cooked meal, because ain't nobody got time for that every single day. So I am going to try this chicken to let you know how it is, and then we're also gonna try the salad. I know it's good, but we're still gonna try it. I mean, it looks pretty darn good. That's actually really good. Like, It's not much to look at. Look at that. It's not like, it doesn't look super appetizing, but those flavors are phenomenal. Yeah, I could put it on a plate to make it pretty, but why would I do that? It's just another dish I have to do. I'm all about saving dishes. Okay, and let's try the salad as well. Oh my gosh, you guys already know this is gonna be so good. I gotta mix it up. Sorry, give me a second. It's a huge bite. I've got everything in there, so. Pecans, blue cheese, and strawberries are just the best combination. I guess it's kind of like a strawberry field salad. I don't know. It's really good. And I'm loving it so much. Alright friends, that is it for today. I am going to go eat my dinner. I am really excited to eat all of this actually. And I hope today's video helped you realize that you don't have to cook big fancy meals. You don't have to overcomplicate keto. Stick to the basics and stick to what works for your lifestyle. Nobody else is in your kitchen cooking for you or buying your food, so do what works best for you and your family. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.